Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Samantha and I do skin bleaching tips and review all about the skincare. So today in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can bleach out your skin, make your skin look nice, clean, white, and everything good in a one chromas. Yes, so if you're interested in this topic, please stay tuned. And if you're not one bleacher, just go on. If you don't want bleach your skin and you come for criticize, thank you. This video is only for people who want to lighten them skin and chrome up them skin. Nothing is wrong with that. So stay tuned. So people, yeah. But back with the Carowhite again. Like, I just love Carowhite because Carowhite work miracles for my face. So yeah, as them always say, what work for me don't work for you. Yeah, that's saying there. Yeah, and if you have sensitive problem with your skin, just low bleaching alone, please. And just one. So yeah, so you're gonna get a Carowhite, the medium jar. You're gonna cut him, take out half of the cream. You're gonna put in our next container. Then for the half in the container, you're going to mix that. Alright, you're going to get one new light. Just work fast, just make your face come fast, you understand? But you can't use it too much. If you get your shade where you want, please discontinue using new light. Yeah, so you're going to get around 3 Omic gel. You're not going to get 4 because I already have the new light where you know say I go nice up a complexion. It's me I say 1, 2, 3 tone complexion. Real true, real. Yo, I'm a real person. I ain't telling you foolishness. I'm telling you the real deal. So yeah, that is if you want to use it now. Your choice if you want it. My advice, and use the cream that I.
So also guys, you need to add half of this BioClear oil in it,
and then you just mix well, and that your face take time. For the other cream that you don't mix as it, guys, you use that for your next time when this finish, you just repeat the remedy. Or take out the new light. If you reach a shade, you take out the new light. You don't add the new light to it. You just add your Omic gel and the oil. That's it. Well guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, share with your family and friends, and I hope you enjoy the video. Have a great day, and remember, I post every day guys, so look forward for more videos. Have a blessed day. Big up yourself, and thanks to new subscribers.